How to connect Xbox 360 controller to iPhone.
Hello gamers! Today, we're taking a deep dive into how you can maximize your mobile gaming experience. Have you ever wished you could use your Xbox 360 controller with your iPhone? Well, you're in luck. We're about to guide you through the process, step by step. You'll be playing your favorite games with your Xbox 360 controller in no time. Let's level up your gaming experience.
Why use an Xbox 360 controller?
You might wonder, why would you want to use an Xbox 360 controller with your iPhone? It's simple. The controller offers precision and comfort that's tough to achieve with touchscreen controls. With the Xbox 360 controller, you're getting a familiar layout, tactile feedback, and a design built for gaming.
What you need.
Before we dive in, let's make sure you have everything you need. To connect an Xbox 360 controller to your iPhone, you'll need 1. An Xbox 360 controller 2. An iPhone running iOS 13 or later 3. A Lightning to USB adapter, also known as a camera adapter, 4. A compatible Xbox 360 wireless receiver, if your controller is wireless.
How to connect a wired Xbox 360 controller.
Got everything ready? Great! Let's start with how to connect a wired Xbox 360 controller to your iPhone. 1. Plug the USB end of your controller into the Lightning to USB adapter. 2. Connect the Lightning end of the adapter into your iPhone. 3. Your iPhone should automatically recognize the controller. You can confirm this in the controller section of your device settings. 4. Now, open up your favorite game and start playing with your controller.
How to connect a wireless Xbox 360 controller.
Connecting a wireless Xbox 360 controller is slightly more complex. But don't worry, we'll break it down step by step. 1. Plug your Xbox 360 wireless receiver into the Lightning to USB adapter. 2. Connect the Lightning end of the adapter into your iPhone. 3. Press the guide button on your Xbox 360 controller to turn it on. 4. Press the sync button on the Xbox 360 controller and the wireless receiver simultaneously until they start to blink. 5. When the lights stop blinking and remain lit, that means your controller is now connected to your iPhone. 6. Check the controllers section of your device settings to confirm the connection. 7. Time to open your game of choice and enjoy using your Xbox 360 controller. And that's it. You're now ready to use your Xbox 360 controller with your iPhone. Whether you're a casual gamer or a hardcore competitor, this setup will elevate your mobile gaming experience. So go ahead, take your gaming skills to the next level. We hope this guide was helpful. Happy gaming!